Hello, how you doing guys? Namaste. Today I'm here standing in front of you to share some of my digital business knowledge with you guys so that you can have the better understanding. This is me, 𝐸𝐴 from Kathmandu, Nepal, and what I do social media marketing on social media marketing platform and the digital business guys. Namaste. How you doing guys today? Imagine a place which runs by itself. Imagine the business it runs by itself without having the hassle of traditional selling or stocking up on any inventory. That's right guys, you heard me right. We don't sell any product or we don't stock up any inventory at all. So what we do social media marketing on social media marketing platform. There are 7 kinds of different social media marketing platform, as you know guys, and we promote our business on social media marketing platform. So you must be questioning, if you don't sell, then how you do the marketing? That's right guys, we only market our Facebook page, business page on social media marketing platform guys. So guys, having said that, how the business run? This business run by itself. It runs on an automation system. We have a team. We have the amazing team of the people who works behind our back. The automation system works at the back end of us, and it provides us training, it provides us mentoring, and it provides us all the information you need to do the business itself guys. Guys, let me ask you something. You've been struggling, right? You've been struggling to keep up the demand of your family. You want to go out with your family and you can do that because you've been struggling, you've been working hard and still couldn't provide the demand of your family. Guys, you want to take a break from your job and your boss is not allowing you to take the break from the job guys. I know that because I've been in the same situation like you do, okay guys? So I don't want to go there. This is the era of digital business guys. The world is getting digital. Be a part of the digital business where you don't sell anything. You don't have to stock up any inventory. You do the business from any location you want. You do the business as long as you have the internet connection. Anywhere in the world, there are already 196 digital business owners in our community who are doing this business, and they find it amazing because they can find the freedom, they can find the time, they can find the dreams come true in their business. So guys, we have the amazing people in our community. You can just log in and ask the question to our community who are very helpful to help you in any circumstances in 24/7. The automation system will bring the lead by yourself. So guys, what do you think? Come and join me on my digital platform. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it, because there is no age limitation on this platform. There is no contradiction. This is a legitimate business platform where everybody can come and join and do the business and make their life struggle free guys. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching. If you want to join the business, if you want to start the business, then just message me, or you can log in my website, that is www.𝐸𝐴𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻